Hi patrons, wish you all a very happy 2021. Showing you a video of a custom 1200 with some interesting accessories. Uh, One of the accessories that we have on this bike is something called a variable bike height raiser. These guys here. Now, this concept is a very different concept. It's actually a patented concept of ADIA, wherein we don't use the stubs. Normally, what most people will do is they will open the shocker bolt here, which you can see inside from this viewing hole, and they will put a they will thread on another stub onto it. The problem with that is that the threading in the stem is designed to take hydraulic pressure, not the forces that are generated while riding. So we don't open this, we don't add a stub on. In fact, we grip the fork with this member with high tensile bolts. As you can see, there are 4 bolts which are grabbing onto the fork, and then you can adjust the height by torquing this bolt down or up. Right now, this bike has been raised by almost about 45 mm. As you can see, this length, the stock length or stock free flow part will be only about so much. This much length has been added up, almost about 50 mm. That's one interesting product. And as you can see, the stance of the bike, it looks really nice. We also give you a product which is a stand boot, as you can see here on the stand, because the stand falls short when you raise the bike. So that's variable height raises. And then really quickly, the bike has our heavy duty mustache engine guard. It's got our classic styling footboards. It's got a snap fit heel shifter. No changes required to the vehicle. It's got our very popular long haul seat. It's got our Tallboy all chrome molded backrest with beautiful quality of chrome, and looks very nice on the bike. So these are some of the accessories. Hope you guys like it. And of course, it has our